So in my previous video I talked about how to voice lead, and by voice leading you learn the chords and then you can use the notes, the tones that you learned from the chords to use different accompaniments. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can create different styles by knowing the chords and accompaniment with the chords in that style. For example, if we take a simple bluegrass accompaniment, and I'm going to use the chord stacks from Twinkle Twinkle as we did before, and it will sound like this. So we're going to use this rhythm, and then you can follow this rhythm by playing the chords. And so on. And then when you feel more free to do that over the complete song, you can try to break the chords and do another variation. Can sound like this. And so on. And then you can do different variations between this style. You can start with double stops, and you don't need to play the bass notes. You can play also the inner voices or the upper voices. For example, let's try and play one more style and rhythm, which is called Reggae. And you can play root, 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 root 4 times, and then 3, 5. And it will be in E major, and then D major, A major. And you can also record this if you have pedals, so you can do the bass. And then on the top of that you can just play pa, 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 pa. And before we go to the next style, I would like to show you quickly what ghosting is. And this is something that I'm still learning, and jazz musicians use all the time for making the song sound more, to swing more, to sound more in a style of jazz. And it's looks like this. So I'm playing down, up, down, up, down, up, but then I'm covering the strings so it doesn't sound all the time. Basically you have to cover the strings with your fingers and then play very light with the bow. Or just let your fingers up a little bit from the string. And then that way you can play a little bit faster as well. For example, if you want to play bossa and you want to play this rhythm, even I'm having a trouble with making it rhythmical. So my point here is to show you that once you know the chords of a song, you can play endless amount of styles on the song. So you can start in a style that you like and develop your ability. until you are satisfied, and then you can jump to the next style, and that can take some time. So comment on the video below and let me know what you think about my videos, and let me also know if you want me to record another video on another style or technique or anything else. I will be happy to hear your comments, and I will see you in my next video.